Join me in undecorating our house after the holidays. Hello loves! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you like these kinds of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below to keep you notified every time I post a new video. You can also follow me on my socials sa Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages ko po. Samahan niyo ako in this video na mag-undecorate ng bahay namin. Konti lang naman yung decorations namin for Christmas, pero sasamahan ko na din ng paglinis dito sa ground level para ready yung bahay sa pagbalik namin sa work. So una ko ngang niligpit itong nasa may TV stand namin. Si Dennis naman tinanggal niya yung Christmas lights and tinago niya na sa box. Syempre, habang tinatago ko yung mga decors, pinunasan ko din yung TV stand and yung TV, lalo na yung sa likod kasi may mga nag-build up na dust. Sunod naman is nag-vacuum ako ng sofa namin. I do this about once a month at least. Papalitan ko naman yung mga throw pillow covers, especially yung mga Christmas themed na covers.
In a world full of ordinary, you're my playful dream, turning everyday moments into a sparkling sea. I won't say you're perfect, I won't say you're perfect, we don't know you're not, but hey, you're the best kind of queer that
Next naman is itatago ko tong decors sa ibabaw ng shoe cabinet namin. Andito yung karamihan ng decors. Hindi pala ako naglagay ng malaking Christmas tree kung napansin nyo loves kasi we don't want to spend a lot of money on decorations. Lahat ng mga dinecorate ko this year are my collections over the years. So wala akong bagong decors na binili for this year. Meron naman kaming lumang Christmas tree noon pero dinispose na namin since lumang-luma na siya. Kaya itong maliit na Christmas tree na lang ang ginamit namin and ang nagustuhan ko dito sa maliit na Christmas tree kasi bukod sa tipid, hindi din siya matakaw sa space at madali lang din itago after.
people sharing you up. Tears is for tears when things go wrong. Oh, a friend leads your yeah, they got your back. With a love like that, there's nothing you lack. It's more than just being there. It's a vibe. Heart to heart moments always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Ship the skies and endless miles. I walk with you through every drive. Always by your side.
Gumamit pala kami ng flycatcher kasi during summer dito sa New Zealand, madaming langaw na pumapasok sa bahay. Ganyan talaga every summer dito sa New Zealand. Tapos, mawawala lang din sila kapag taglamig na naman.
Hey, listen up, I gotta say, what's more important than finding a way? Oh, check in, kick back, unwind together. We'll be those who make it all better. These are the people sharing you up. This is for tears when road is rough. Every trial, every time you face, know that love will lift you to a higher place.
After naman sa dining area at sa living area, yung kitchen naman ang nilinisan ko. Nagpunas lang ako ng surfaces tapos tinago yung mga dried dishes.
It's more than just being there. It's a vibe. Heart to heart moments always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Through ship the skies and endless miles. I walk with you through every drive. Always by your
Then, hinugasan ko naman itong air fryer namin kasi hindi pa ito nahuhugasan since New Year, which is yesterday lang naman. Last ko namang nilinisan itong sahig namin. Nag-vacuum muna ako, then magmamop ng floor after. Lately pala, yung paglilinis ko ng bahay, halos nagsa-section by section ako. Like halimbawa, ngayong araw, dito ako sa ground level maglilinis, then next day sa taas naman, then last sa kwarto. Mas madali kasi para sa akin na paonti-onti yung paglilinis, saka para hindi ko minamadali yung paglilinis, lalo na pag napapagod na. Kayo loves, paano ba kayong mag-general cleaning sa bahay nyo? Ayan, so thank you so much loves for watching this video. Thank you din pala sa mga nagko-comment sa mga videos ko. I really appreciate it. Thank you po sa inyo. And I hope you like this video because there will be more videos to come soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!